Okay, so Marissa's friends here to stay with us. They've just gone up to one of the fish ponds to do some fishing. I just sorted Nate out. He's wanted to stay in and play his Switch because we just got the cabling so we can set it up for the TV. So he's happy now. He wants to do that for an hour while we go and do a little bit of fishing. And then tomorrow, while our friends here, we're all gonna take off with a big family trip for the day out to Dasol, which is a beach resort on the other side of Pangasinan. It's going to take us about 3 hours to get there. And I should be driving the minibus because there's about 20 or so people to go. Hello, what's that? So we're going to see if we can catch some fish and then bring you back. Either while we're doing some fishing or maybe tomorrow when we're on our way to the salt. Hopefully I can get some drone shots, though I've been having some trouble with the drone. I'm not particularly good at it and keeps crashing into walls and ruining the propellers, so I'm on my third set of propellers at the moment. But I think I figured it out now. I did get a couple of shots of the high school reunion that Marissa did with her friends on the roof. So hopefully you'll have seen those, and then hopefully we'll get some good ones at the place we're going tomorrow. That's all, because it does look like a very nice beach. Okay, catch you later. Here at the pond. We actually stopped this pond before we came, so there's quite a few fish in it. There's more from the pond. Fishing. This is a very sophisticated fishing rod. Here we go so far. There's a couple in there. Come here. Cameraman ako. This was the piggery where we had the pigs, but they've gone to a better place. People's stomachs. Goats in here. There's the goats. Hello, goats. And on a bamboo, almost in the old bent nail kind of approach to fishing, and they do very well out of it. See if we can catch one. There's something right in there, so we got it stopped just so we could do some fishing area here. I might even try and do a harvest before I go home. Oh, there's a catch. Well, welcome to Dasol, everybody. We've just arrived. We're just getting set. A couple of cottages. Hello. Took us about 2 hours to get here this morning. Chanel and Ginger are already in the water. We're going to try and get one of these boats and go across to the island. Stay here for a few hours. Nice bit of a beach day. Hello, Chanel.
Hi.
Alright, so we just got a boat. We're all in the boat. Marissa's at the front.
Sama ka.
Raymond's trying to swim with us. Are you going to swim there? Raymond, you'll swim? Okay. There's the cottages that we're in earlier.
Yeah, Tomas. Bye. Sama ka na.
No idea where this island is, but it's very pretty right here.
Nathaniel can't recognize me. Can't remember.
We're going to find Nate. He's in the water somewhere over here. Oh, this beach sand is hot.
Osminya Point kano nga talo nga tao gaidan. Osminya Point.
Oh, that's the guy who's in
Talo nga tao.
Keeps shouting on his megaphone for people to come and pay him. He's down there now. Alright, we're gonna find it anywhere. Oh, there he is. He's got a ladder. Nate! Nate! He's over there. I think I've got some drone shots going. Replace the propellers in the room. That's a bit of an issue. Unfortunately, I put them on the front side. Initially, I couldn't take off, but I got them fixed. It's all good now. Nate's ignoring me. He's just enjoying himself over there.